first run of the Axial Scx10 Deadbolt, and that's coming up next on Jussie B Motors. Right now, Kelby called first dibs on it, so he's coming over here, driving over the rock set I set up for the Scx24, which makes it a challenge for that. But as we can see for the Deadbolt, it is no problem for this to go over it. Basically, this is just our little first run video. Kelby's driving it right now. He's getting used to it, and then I'll grab the controls and I'll run it here a little bit.
Dumb truck. Dumb driver. It's a little kitty.
With no problems at all. Like a champion. Now he's just doing circles being goofy. Going over to the other one. Climbing up onto the big rock. Watch him come down slow. Oh. Can he get it? Oh, and he rolls it.
For some reason it looks way deeper in the camera than it does in real life.
No.
It's really good. Take this, haters. Oh.
Well, guys, first time out, and I heard the servos were bad. First time out, and we barely did anything, and the servo's not working already. Well, that's going to end our day here with the first run of our truck. That's kind of disappointing, but that's the way it goes. Well, that's all we got for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to check us out on Instagram and Facebook, and we'll see you all on the next one.